Welcome to the design corner. We will see how to do the sheet metal design using Revolve tool and how to do the flat pattern to get the dimension in the Creo Parametric software. You have to open the new file, then you should select that sheet metal option. After that, you can fill the name of the file. Once you filled, you have to unselect the box of use default template. Then click OK. Here you have to select the unit system which one you are using, like or inches. Here I am selecting the template. You can see the sheet metal feature in the model ribbon. Click the shapes tab and select the revolves option. Then under which plane you want to draw the sketch, you can select. Here I have selected the front plane. Whenever you are doing the sketch, it will be based on the center line. Don't select the center line option in the sketching tab. You have to select the datum center line. As I said here, I have selected the datum center line and drawn it vertically and horizontally. Draw the center line vertically. After that, we have to do the dimension. Here I have given the line length of 500 mm and the distance from the center line to the line as 225 mm. Whatever dimension you want, you can give it. At the same time, we have to constrain the sketch. Here I am giving a symmetric. Then click OK. Uh, we have to give the thickness of the sheet and rotation of the degree. Here I have given the thickness of sheet as 2 mm and the rotation as 360 degree. Then click OK. Now you can see the sheet metal in its revolved state. Now we can try the option for the flat pattern. The flat pattern will not come because sheet metal should have some gaps. If we roll the plain sheet at that time, only we can get the fully 360 degree rotated sheet. In that case, the flat pattern will not appearing. Then go to the feature and edit the feature. You can give the rotation 359 degree. Then click OK. Now check the flat pattern. It's working now because minor gaps are there. We can get the length and width of the sheet. If you didn't get the dimension, you can select the dimensioning icon. Now you can see the dimensions. After that, if you want the bend sheet in particular rotation like 120 degree or 180 and different rotations, you can edit the feature and give it in a flat pattern. That time you can get that dimensions. One more trick is there to get full roll without reducing the angles. I will tell you what kind of error you will get and how to solve the errors. Again, I have given that angle a 360 degree rotation. Click the rib tab and click the sketch rib. Now we have to draw the sketch in that plane. Select that plane. After that, we have to select the reference face to draw the sketch. So here I'm selecting the ref- reference and selecting the top face. Same time have to draw the vertical line and you can change the direction of sketched rip. Then click OK. After that, if you check that flat pattern, you will get the error. Why did you get the kind of error? You didn't select that proper surface and you didn't draw that line properly, which means it is at a particular angle is there in that line. Now we can see how to do it in properly. Now I'm deleting the features and I have to create the new features the same way. Here I have drawn the line properly, then clicked OK. After that I have selected the sketches rip direction properly. Now you can get the flat pattern properly. That's all. I hope this method is useful for creating sheet metal using the revolve option. Thank you for watching.